In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags to contacts in HubSpot 2025. This process is fairly straightforward, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to efficiently organize your contact list by tagging them according to your criteria. So let's dive right in. First, you want to start by going to your HubSpot trial guide. It might sound trivial, but accessing the trial guide is essential because it helps you explore the available features such as the CRM tool we're going to use today. Once you're in, you'll see the interface that acts as your command center for all things HubSpot. Familiarizing yourself with this layout will be beneficial as you continue to explore other features in HubSpot. Next, find and click on the CRM tab in this guide. Now, CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management, and it's a core aspect of HubSpot. It's the place where you manage everything about your interactions with customers and contacts. This CRM area is where you'll spend a lot of time organizing and delving into the details of relationships with your customers. Once you're within the CRM section, navigate to the Contacts section. Your contacts are the people that have interacted with your business in some way, either by subscribing to a newsletter, purchasing a product, or engaging in your content. This is where you have a compiled list of every individual who has made contact with your business. It's like your digital Rolodex, where you can manage and review all your relationships in one place. To demonstrate how you can add a tag, we're going to use a sample contact, Brian Halligan. Locate the sample contact in your list and click on it. Interacting with an individual contact like this opens up personal details and a detailed view of all interactions you've had with them. This is an ideal place to start tagging, as it helps in tailoring your communication and organization strategy. After selecting the contact, move over to the Actions menu. This menu is a gateway to various options that allow you to personalize and manage your contact's information efficiently. From there, proceed to click on Customize Properties. Customizing properties allows you to tailor what information you're immediately able to see about a contact. Following customization, click on Edit Card Properties. This feature gives you the chance to add or remove the properties that you find most essential when viewing a contact record. Here is where you can effectively apply your tags. Tagging organizes your contacts into segments or categories that matter most to you. Once you've followed these steps, you've successfully added a tag to a contact in HubSpot. Does this streamline communication and management, or what? With these tags, you can segment your communication and truly tailor your engagement strategy. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope now you find adding tags to your HubSpot contacts as easy as pie.